Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramulu. So today's topic is lattice energy of a crystal. So first definition, there are the two definitions are there for the lattice energy of a crystal. First definition is the energy released in the process when the constituent ions are placed in their respective position in the crystal is called lattice energy, right? So the energy is released when the energy releases when ions are kept in their respective positions. So actually, where suppose here one position is there, here another position is there. So over here one ion has to place, and here another ion has to place. Then if you keep here ions in their places, then what happens? They release the energy. That a released energy is called lattice energy. And the next one, second or next definition, the amount energy is required to separate its constituent ions in the crystal is called lattice energy. See here, already it is a crystal containing the ions. Here let it is, for example, let me take example as sodium. It is a sodium ion, and here chlorine ion are there. Okay, so if you supply the energy, then what happens? This ion come this side and this ion maybe come this side. So that means we are simply removing the ions, the cations and anions from the crystal. So amount of energy is required. How much amount of energy is required to separate this ion? That energy is called lattice energy. Let two ions of opposite charge separated by an infinity distance. Okay, suppose there are the two ions are there, and one ion is here and other ion is at infinity distance. Let they are allowed to approach each other. That means suppose they are coming to each other. Okay, one is coming in this direction, other one is coming in the direction from the infinity distance. There will be a electrostatic attraction between the ions, which is described by Coulomb's law. Okay, so what happens when these two are coming nearer to each other? Then what happens? Electrostatic attraction force will create. So that electrostatic attraction is because of what? Coulomb's law. In this case, the potential energy will be negative because work is done by the ions. Here ions are coming like this. This ion is coming in this in direction and another is coming in this direction. So themselves they are coming, their displacement is changing, and because of displacement changes and means their motion, here attraction will increase. Attraction means the force is also increases. So force is there and a displacement is there. That is because of ions only. So that is why here work is done by what? By ions. So that is why work is done by ion is negative work done, right? That is the reason why it is negative work done. The variation of Coulomb's attractive potential energy with inter ionic distance is shown in figure. So see, attraction force because of Coulomb's, there is a graph also given in the graph. A curve, which curve? First curve will show. So there are three curves are there. So one curve can show the attraction, Coulomb attractive potential energy, that can be shown. See here figure. Okay, see, this is the graph. This graph is what? Because of attraction forces. Why it is in this direction? That force is negative one. So that is why in negative direction only. Slowly in negative direction it increases up to a particular distance only. Later repulsion will increases. That distance is r naught is given. Okay, next. The two ions are not expected to approach each other sufficiently close to coalesce. Because coalesce means meet together, so that means they have to mix themselves, they have to must be in contact. Without that means the separation between the two ions is not, no separation present. That is called coils, means that is together they have to meet. Okay, two ions are not expected to approach each other sufficiently close to coils. So generally they are not coming nearer to each other. That is the meaning of this line. They are not coming to each other up to sufficient distance. Because why, see here, why they are not coming to each other? Because there will be a repulsive force between them due to electron clouds of two ions. Yes, in any crystals, two ions never touch together, they never been in contact. Why? Because let it is a one ion, positive ion, it is negative ion, and let it is example as sodium and chlorine. Around the sodium atom electrons also present, around the chlorine electrons present. So when they are coming each other, then because of presenting electron in their shell, so repulsion force starts increases. Here repulsion force will act in between them. So because of that only they never coils, means they never touch each other. The situation is shown by curve 2. That's what situation. When they are coming near to each other, first attraction will increases, and later slowly attraction decreases, and repulsion starts increasing. Okay, so that is shown by the curve 3, right? Curve 3 is repulsion. See, in this case the potential energy is positive. Okay, so we can say easily one thing here. When one atom is here and other atom, one ion is here and another ion is here, or it is far away from it, then when they are very large distance, then attraction will present. Okay, attraction is negative. Why attraction is negative? Attraction in between the positive and negative ion are negative and positive and negative ions only. Okay, either negative positive or positive negative. Okay, that attraction can be shown by negative potential energy. Suppose there are the, when they come meet each other, then because of clouds of electrons, means around them electrons present, so these electrons starts repelling, and repulsion can be shown by the positive one. Okay, yeah, that is why positive is come because of repulsion, negatives come because of attraction, and that repulsion is shown by the second line, curve 2 in the figure. See the figure, this is the second line. Okay, so this line, second line can show repulsion, and the first line it can show attraction, and this is what third line can indicates a average of repulsion and attraction. Average of repulsion, average of repulsion and attraction, that can be shown by a graph like this. Third graph is that. So that is also explained here. See here about third line. See, next line is about that only. The potential energy of the system is the sum of attractive potential and repulsive potential energy. This is represented by curve 3. Okay, sum of attraction and repulsion. So that is why what happens, it comes in between the line 2 and line 1, curve 1 and curve 2. Okay, it is repulsion, attraction. Okay, their sum is this graph. And see, this is r not distance, what it explained, you know. So at this distance only attraction and repulsion balances. And the next, see, okay, the potential energy is shown in curve 3, and solid is stable. Why the potential energy is minimum? Where the attraction and repulsion forces balances, their potential energy is minimum. Okay, so that is why third curve is shown by sum of attraction and repulsion force potential energies. Now according to, now I'm going to calculate the lattice energy equation. According to Born, repulsive potential is given by. So Born repulsive potential equation is U repulsion. U means energy equation, potential energy represented by U. R indicates repulsion, and the repulsion is symbol is plus B by R power N, where R is the distance between the two ions. N is, which N power N is repulsive exponent, and B is the repulsive coefficient. The Coulomb potential energy is represented by this one. So it is a repulsive energy, repulsive potential energy, it is attractive potential energy. Attractive potential energy is minus always. And here A is called Madelung constant. Okay. Total energy UT is given by UT is equals to sum of so just now I said you for total potential energy is what, it is a sum of repulsive energy and Coulombian energies. Coulombian energy means attraction energy, it is a repulsion energy, it is attraction energy. Now substitute those two values in this equation, then we get this one. Why? Because it is minus is for attraction only. See in the formula minus is there, so that is why there minus. Now what we have to do? Potential energy is minimum where R is equals to R naught. I said you just now. Potential energy is minimum means where the attractive forces and the repulsive forces balance, their potential energy is minimum. Then R, the distance between those two ions is denoted by R naught. Okay, the distance between two ions where the two forces balances, repulsion and attraction forces balances at a certain distance, that distance is denoted by R naught. Now differentiating above equation, here differentiation of total energy is 0. Why? Because total energy is minimum at a what distance? So at this distance, that is why dou ut by dou r is 0. Differentiating equation 3 and applying the conditions, what we get, see here. It is a third equation, differentiation. Everybody know differentiation about the third equation, and before that, now see R power n is in denominator, bring it in numerator, it becomes like this. And we know the x power of n formula is a differentiation n into x power n minus 1. Now it is also in the same manner, that is why we can write minus n x power minus n minus 1 we get, right? Minus n is written, minus n minus 1. And next here 1 by r is there, 1 by r can be written as minus 1 by r square. Already is minus is there, minus minus plus by r square, and the remaining all are constant, no need to say about them. Here dou u by dou t value is substituted 0. Now bring this is a negative term this side, that becomes positive term, and this is this side only. Keep here b only, and remaining n and r power minus n minus 1, bring this side. Here these two things are multiplying, and this side they divides. Okay, then b can be written as now see the b value, how we can write. So b value is written, b is equals to this r power is written at this point, and it is already r power r naught power 2. Here bases are equal, then powers what can we do? Powers we have to add depending upon their symbols or sign. So r naught power minus n minus 1 into r power 2. So this r power 2, it is this one, and r power it is minus n only, 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, r power minus n minus 1 r r naught power 2. 2 means it is here, simply write plus 2 by removing this one. Plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 becomes, so that is why here where here plus 1, and bring it in numerator. Now this minus can plus and plus can minus while bringing in numerator, then only those two values changes like this. Now b values we got this one, and substitute this b value in the equation 3. See equation 3, what is that equation 3? This is the equation 3, and here substitute this value. Yes, okay. Now see, a e square by 4 n pi epsilon naught r naught power n minus 1 by r power n. Here it is b by r power n. Okay. Now see, these are the denominator terms and comes in denominator only, then do not go in numerator. Numerator terms present in numerator only. Okay, so see, same thing is happen here. Now what we are doing, I am going to multiplying and dividing with r for not all the equations, for only, for which equation, for only this equation. For this term only I am going to multiply and dividing. See here, multiplied and divided. Now there is a chance to take common outside. What are those? See here, a e square by 4 pi epsilon naught into r. A e square by 4 pi epsilon naught into r. So for this purpose only I have multiplied and divided it. Okay, now take common. So factors taken. So this also came out, and it is here only. Okay, and n is here only, and power in these two things here only. Here all quantities are came outside, that is why it is 1. And now see here, it is r naught, it is r, so they cannot we cannot add their powers. But in denominator n is leave it, r power n and r power minus n can be written as r power n minus 1. Okay, and see, this is in numerator, bring it denominator, so that is why here it is written like this. Okay, it is numerator and taken it is denominator. Okay, this one is taken here in downside in denominator, then only r and powers are, sorry, bases are equal in multiplication. Then powers, what we have to do, we have to either add or subtract depending upon their symbols. So here n is plus is there, so n, and it is minus 1. Then in multiplication, r power n minus 1, so that is this one, and minus 1. Okay, now see, we can write, see, this power and this power having the same. Before that, let me take minus outside. Okay, so then what happened, these two things can be reversed. Why? It is a minus taken outside, this become plus, so plus is term this side and a minus term is this side. Now write common power to r naught and r. Common power r naught by r whole power n minus 1. At r is equals to r naught total energy, right? So this, for this equation, see, for this equation, in this equation place r is equals to r naught, so that means here and here. This equation finally becomes, and ut can be written as u naught. So u naught is equals to minus a. See here, r naught is substituted, here also r naught is substituted. Once again, see where I kept here and here only, in the place of r naught is substituted. Now these two gets cancelled. Then what happens? Here we cannot get, here we get only, we get here only 1 power anything is just 1 only, so that is why 1 by n will be remains. So this is the equation of lattice energy in the crystal. Okay, crystal. So this is the lattice energy in the crystal. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget subscribing it.